Hello, everybody. I'm very happy to meet all of you today here. It's very nice, actually, chance to meet everybody and to communicate with you. Uh, we are here actually to discuss another topic like the global markets and the future of it and the future of the trading in the MENA region. So let's start, bro. Sorry for that. Okay, so until it get fixed, we can say I would like to welcome all of you again, and I want to thank the organizers for give us the chance to meet all of you and to meet all of you in this such great gathering for all of the leaders and the innovators and thinkers and also the traders of this industry. It's okay. Okay, so how to do it, please? Okay, okay. So let's get back to the first slide actually, or slide two. Slide two, please. So before we dive into the current chances and the upcoming chances for 2024 and 2025, we need to get dive into a little bit. Previously, the reason it's the main reason of the current situation. It's the pandemic of COVID-19. So this is the start of everything that happens now in the online trading and forex. So COVID 19 changed everything and affected all of the markets, especially the supply chains, services, everything. So it gives us more like disrupted market. So the pandemic disrupted the supply chains fundamentally changed the structure of global markets, liquidity flows, and the priority of investors and traders. So we still need like slide two, but it's okay. So COVID 19 like what the reason for a lot of changes for everybody to invest and to make a lot of money. Actually, it's according to what happened in the economy at that time. It lead that the governments and the central banks to take a very good action and very strong actions to surge the inflation. So according to what happened on the COVID-19, the people accumulated significant savings during the quarantine, and according to the restrictions were eased. Actually, the everyone had run to like spend more money and for services, for goods, and even for investment in real estates and everything they can. So for that, at some point, inflation rates in countries like US and the European Union reached a very high levels not seen since the 1980s actually. So this led that the governments and the central banks take a very strong policies to fight this inflation. So they they made like a hawkish monetary policy by central banks actually. So to combat the inflation, central banks around the world have taken decisive action and have moved from monetary easing to a hawkish policy by raising interest rates to curb consumer spending, cooling the economy, and reduce liquidity in financial markets. So, for example, let's see. The European Central Bank raised its key interest to 4.5%, and the US Federal also followed a similar path by raising the rates to 5.5%. So, by this action, we're aimed to reducing inflation by making borrowing more expensive. However, for traders, high volatility means a lot of opportunities, especially in the forex and commodity markets. But as we know, volatility is, yes, it's a very good chance to make money, but we can say it's a very, very dangerous situation also for losing your money, especially for the ones who doesn't have a risk management and don't give it attention. So for these people, I do advise everyone to manage the risk and try to manage your money and manage your capitals also. So in June 2024, the ECB also made a cut the rates by 25 basis points in September, and the Fed followed suit, cutting the rates by a significant 0.5. And this shift towards lower interest has been a key turning point in price movement in financial markets in 2024. Now more liquidity is entering the markets every day while volatility is falling. So, do we think the volatility is over? Let's see. Let's take the gold and the Bitcoin, for example, actually. Like both of them continue to perform well despite monetary easing. Investors still view the gold as their safe haven in times of uncertainty, while Bitcoin continues to attract interest due to its volatility and potential returns. So the volatility for the gold and Bitcoin are very high. So we are seeing that this volatility is creating a very good chances to create a lot of benefits through the last months of 2024 and the upcoming months of 2025 too. The gold expected to remain one of the world's leading trading instruments in 2025. Goldman Sachs has adjusted the forecast to reach 2.7K in 2025 instead of 2.6K actually as previously announced. So with a volatility rate between 1.3 to 1.6, it's amazing chance to make some money. While let's while Bitcoin is a new type of asset due to high volatility, often between like 3% up to 5%. So it's a very good asset to trade on it and to use the volatility and make more money. But also, please take care and manage your funds very well to avoid losses. So we have another instrument. We have another instrument that would be. We are expecting that it will be very good instrument, especially with the current situation of the geopolitical situation, and like in MENA and in Europe too. So this asset is the oil. It's a key asset in global markets. Actually, we cannot discuss global markets and online trading without mentioning oil. So, which remains one of the key assets. Oil prices are very high sensitive to what is happening now in the world, to the war, to the problem, to the tensions in MENA region. So we should consider gold, Bitcoin, and also oil. Oil. So and also, we never forget for the Forex, USD GPY. It's a very, very good uh, currency pair to use it and to trade on it so you can achieve your potential profits from your trading. We are trying to support you to have the high potentiality for profits from from trading by supporting you to showing you our vision for 2024 and 2025 actually by trading on those assets. Actually 2024 showed us that the gold is the most used instrument in just markets for the past year, and it's followed by USD and also Bitcoin. So we are advising you to have to trade on these like instruments. But how you trade on these instruments, we can say that we are supporting you by a very, very good mobile application to use it in trading. This mobile application is have like a real time chart. Actually, unfortunately, we don't have the presentation, but I can say it have a trading view chart with the full analysis tools, so it can support you. It makes instant market updates. It has the ability to quickly open and close trades and uninterrupted deposit and withdrawal functions. Our website and our application is very good tool to use it, and very easy even for the beginners to trade with just two buttons and the lot size. You can see the analysis. You can just choose your contract size or the lot size and just press buy or sell. So also, as we are like yeah, exactly. So also, as we are advising you to trade through the our mobile application and on a specific trading instruments, we have a very wide range of trading instruments like metal, such as gold and silver, energies such oil, and cryptocurrencies for sure. We never forget it. And also the indices and much more. Indices such as Nasdaq and DAX. So this is a very good chance that you are trying to trade and to learn to trade through our mobile application. And also, by the way, we have very good demo account. You can try it to even try the new strategies on like to trade and to be able to control it and to be sure that you are practice it 100% in a very good way. Also, we have very good leverage. Leverage is very good tool that helping you as an IB and as a trader also to have a very big to control the a very big trade with a very low fund. Like if you want to buy something like one lot euro USD, you don't need to have the 100,000 as a contract size is 100,000 euro. You just need $36 with a leverage from 1 to 3,000. You can buy a full lot from euro USD, so you can make a very big profits actually. But for sure, again, you need to do a risk management to save your money from losing them if you don't make a good decision while trading. However, for good decisions, I'm pretty sure that our application is going to support you with the analysis back on our trading view chart and all of the analysis tools. Also, just markets here. A broker you can rely on. This is really because, as all of my colleagues said before, the trust is number one in our field and our sector. So you can see the prices that we won based on the voting of our clients, not based on any event or anything, but it's based on the voting or our clients actually. And also that for the trust, we have been in the market for 12 years. We we're not new on the market. We started in many regions, and we are here, and we are very near to you. We are trying to contact you every time and be around you. So uh, I hope that you can join us at booth 64 for sure and negotiate more. And I wanted to say something else, actually, which is I wanted to thank all of you to attend here today and listen to us. And I hope that we were very useful, or maybe at least useful for you. So thank you for attendance and thank you for listening for every single word. Thank you.